We will guide you through how to change color in Photoshop logo. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the image or project containing the Photoshop logo you want to recolor. In the Layers panel, make sure the logo layer is selected, checking its name and thumbnail so the adjustment affects the correct content. Go to Image on the top menu to open the image editing commands. Select Adjustments to reveal the available direct color and tone controls. Click Replace Color to open the window used for selecting one color and changing its appearance. Inside that window, activate the eyedropper tool so you can sample the original logo color. Click directly on the blue area of the Photoshop logo to identify it as the color you want to replace. Adjust the fuzziness slider to include more shades of blue, increasing it carefully so the blue region is covered without selecting unrelated colors. Check the selection preview and confirm that the intended logo area is shown. Move the hue slider until the blue changes to the new color you want. Adjust the saturation slider if needed, raising it for a stronger and more vivid result or lowering it for a softer color. Adjust the lightness slider to make the replacement brighter or darker while preserving the logo's visible shape and depth. Alternatively, click the result color swatch and choose a specific replacement directly from the color picker, then confirm that choice. Inspect the preview closely and make sure the P and S letters remain sharp, clear, and easy to read against the new background color. Click OK to apply the replacement and close the window. Review the finished Photoshop logo on the canvas. When the result looks correct, save the editable project as a PSD file or export the edited logo in the image format required for its intended use.